This challenge really initially came up from our supply and logistics officer. How can I do multi-source fulfillment in a number of stores? We can't do multi-source fulfillment. And in essence, we had two challenges. The first is, at that time, and still today, our e-commerce is just a monolithic legacy. Second problem, so our fulfillment is actually really complex. We offer our customers two things: home delivery or click and collect. But in essence, underneath that, there's 12, 13 other fulfillment routes. What we need is to start decomposing our legacy solutions and implement a new order management solutions. And that's actually when we started to have conversations with Fluent.